Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file your solar tax credit. This valuable federal incentive helps homeowners reduce the cost of installing solar panels. It's designed to encourage renewable energy adoption by offering a substantial credit on your income taxes. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure you claim this benefit correctly and easily, making your solar investment even more rewarding. Let's get started on simplifying this process for you. To qualify, you must be a homeowner installing a new solar energy system on your main home or a second residence. The credit covers the cost of solar panels, installation labor, wiring, and even battery storage components. However, it's important to note that systems you lease or those installed on properties you rent out are not eligible for this particular tax benefit. Ensure your system meets these criteria. Calculating your credit is straightforward. The Federal Residential Clean Energy Credit is currently 30% of your total eligible expenses for the solar energy system. This includes equipment and installation costs. For example, if your system cost $20,000, your credit would be $6,000. There is no upper limit on the amount of credit you can claim for most residential installations, making it a powerful incentive. Filing is simple using IRS Form 5695, titled Residential Clean Energy Credit. You'll enter your total qualified solar expenses on line 1 of this form. Then, follow the instructions to calculate your credit amount. Finally, transfer this calculated credit to your main tax return, typically Form 1040, Schedule 3. This easy method ensures you claim your well-deserved solar tax credit efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.